12 weird signs that you have liver damage. In today's video, we are going to discuss some early signs that might indicate liver damage. Knowing these signs can be crucial as it can allow you to take proactive steps to stop its progression from getting worse, as the liver has the ability to heal itself if taken care of properly. According to statistics from the American Liver Foundation, 25% of adults in USA are affected by liver disease. Despite what people think, excessive alcohol consumption is not only the cause of liver damage. There are further factors that can also lead to liver damage, such as eating processed food, consuming too much sugar and vegetable oils. Taking too much painkillers and viruses can also cause damage to the liver. So if you would like to know if there are any problems with your liver, watch this video through to the end, as we will discuss some natural home treatments to clean the liver and prevent from further damage. Number 1. Pale stool. Pale stool can be a sign of liver damage. When we eat food, our liver produces bile to digest foods and fats in it. This gives the stool its normal brown color. But when you have liver damage or fatty liver, it can hinder the flow of bile through the bile duct. This changes the color of stool, making it lighter, paler, or clay-colored. Due to indigestion of food, your stool can become buoyant, causing them to float on the surface of toilet water. So do not ignore these signs and consult a medical professional as soon as possible. Number 2. Nyctalopia. Poor night vision or nyctalopia can be another sign of damaged liver. It is a condition where an individual has difficulty seeing in low light or darkness. As we know, the liver's duty is to filter toxins and produce proteins, including one called retinol-binding protein that transport vitamin A to the retina. When the liver is damaged, it can lead to a deficiency of vitamin A, which affect the cells in the retina responsible for low light vision. If experiencing poor night vision, it is important to see a doctor as it may indicate liver damage. Number 3. Swollen right foot. Liver damage can lead to a condition called peripheral edema, which is swelling of tissues usually in the legs and feet. When the liver is damaged, it may fail to produce enough albumin, a protein responsible for maintaining fluid balance in the body. This imbalance can cause fluid to accumulate in the lower extremities, leading to swollen feet, particularly on the right side due to the way blood flow through the body before moving on. If you are enjoying the video so far, make sure you subscribe to our channel so you never miss our latest video. Number 4. White or yellow bumps around the eyelids. Another weird sign of liver damage is when you start seeing white or yellowish growth around your eyelids. These little packets or bumps around the eyelids are cholesterol deposits known as xanthelasma. When someone has liver condition, the liver stops breaking down cholesterol. Instead, it starts building up in different parts of the body, including eyelids. Xanthelasma can be a sign of liver damage, so please don't ignore it and have a liver check as soon as possible. Number 5. Right-sided pressure. Another noteworthy sign indicating potential liver disease is the sensation of pressure or discomfort on the right side of the rib cage, especially after eating. Basically, the bile produced by your liver becomes thick and sludgy due to liver damage, which can block the small ducts connecting to your gallbladder. This sludge buildup puts pressure on the ribs and can affect your phrenic nerve, causing muscle tightness and discomfort in your right shoulder. Number 6. Purple or red bumps on the skin. According to medical sciences, our damaged liver is not able to produce proteins such as fibrinogen, which is a key component for the coagulation cascade, which is important for blood clotting. This means that you can bruise easily and more often, which can result in unusual purple or red spots or bumps appearing as a rash on the skin. These are most observed around the lower legs and arms. Sometimes they are caused by poor blood circulation, which is also a sign of liver disease. Number 7, cracked heels. Cracked heels can be sign of damaged liver. Our body uses vitamin B3, also known as niacin, to keep our skin moisturized, smooth, and strong in order to protect it from damage. However, when liver is damaged, it uses up all the stored vitamin B3 in an attempt to repair itself. This deficiency of vitamin B3 leads to cracking of the feet, heels, and foot soles. Do not ignore these small signs as it could indicate a liver damage. Number 8, white or swollen nails. White or swollen nails could indicate serious liver damage or underlying health issues that affect the oxygen supply to the nails. A study conducted in 1950s revealed that 8 out of 10 individuals with severe liver scarring had completely white nails, demonstrating a strong correlation between nail appearance and liver health. Club nails, characterized by round and enlarged fingertips, may also be sign of chronic hypoxia, often associated with liver diseases such as cirrhosis. Monitoring changes in the nail appearance along with other symptoms can help in early detection of liver-related problems. Number 9, dark urine. If the color of the urine is dark yellow or brown, it is a symptom that our liver may be damaged. The liver plays a vital role in filtering and processing waste products from the blood, including bilirubin, a yellow pigment that gives urine its color. When the liver is damaged, it may not be able to filter bilirubin properly, causing it to build up in the body. In giving urine a dark color, this can be a sign of various liver conditions such as hepatitis, cirrhosis, or liver cancer. Number 10, jaundice. Jaundice is a significant symptom of a fatty liver. Jaundice occurs when there is excessive buildup of bilirubin, a yellow pigment produced during the breakdown of red blood cells in the bloodstream. In a healthy liver, bilirubin is efficiently processed and excreted. However, when the liver is compromised by fat accumulation, its ability to process bilirubin is impaired, leading to its accumulation in the body. This buildup causes yellowing of skin, eyes, and mucous membrane, giving rise to the characteristic symptom of jaundice. Number 11, spider veins. Spider veins, also known as telangiectasia, are small, dilated blood vessels that appear close to the surface of skin. This often form a web-like network of red, blue, and purple lines, hence the name spider veins. These veins are commonly found on the face, legs, and feet, and may indicate underlying liver condition. When the liver is damaged, the estrogen level is elevated. It can result in increased pressure in the veins, causing them to become visible. Spider veins can also be sign of other liver conditions such as cirrhosis or hepatitis. Number 12, itchy skin. Itchy skin is a common symptom of liver damage. This condition is caused by a buildup of bile acids under the skin because the liver is not filtering them properly. This causes histamines to build up in the blood, causing itchy reactions. This can lead to dry, flaky skin, which can also contribute to the itching sensation. If you have any of these symptoms that we have mentioned above, you might want to visit your doctor and get your liver examined via an ultrasound test to see if you have damaged liver. How can we reverse liver damage? Liver damage occurs in 4 stages. At first, excess fats build up in the liver cells, leading to inflammation and development of scar tissues called fibrosis. If not stopped at this stage, it can lead to permanent scarring of the liver, also known as cirrhosis, which is the most dangerous stage and results in the liver failure. Second, to improve liver health, it is important to eliminate inflammatory seed oils from your diet, including corn, cottonseed, canola, rapeseed, soy oil, margarine, and low-quality processed olive oil. These oils can contribute to liver inflammation and damage. You can replace them with anti-inflammatory fats like butter, tallow, extra virgin olive oil, and coconut oil in your home-cooked meals. These healthier alternatives not only enhance the flavor of your dishes but also provide liver protective properties. Third, incorporate sulfur rich foods into your diet like leafy greens, arugula, radishes, garlic, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, kale, cabbage, mushrooms, pasteurized eggs, oily fishes, walnuts, onions, scallions, and broccoli sprouts. These foods elevate glutathione levels, aiding in liver detoxification and fat removal. Their sulfur content support the breakdown of toxins, promoting overall liver health and function. Regular consumption of these nutrient-dense options help combat fatty liver disease and enhance the body's natural detoxification process. Fourth, stop eating processed and sugary foods. In order to reverse liver damage, you must cut back on sugary, starchy, and flour-based foods such as breads, biscuits, sweets, ketchup, pancakes, pastas, soda drinks, etc. A fatty or damaged liver is sensitive to fructose or fruit sugar in the same way it's sensitive to alcohol. So it's important to stop drinking fruit juices and alcohol entirely. That's how we can start the journey of curing liver. Fifth, to lower the inflammation and cleanse fatty deposit inside the liver, you can take purified bile supplements such as TKA, purified bile salts, or digestive enzymes containing bile ox. These supplements are particularly effective when taken in the morning on an empty stomach and can eliminate fat from the liver and prevent the formation of gallbladder stone. Consulting with a healthcare professional can help determine the most appropriate supplements for the individual liver health needs. Sixth, intermittent fasting. It is a cool way to give your liver a break and keep it healthy. It helps reduce liver fat, improve insulin sensitivity, and lower inflammation. Plus, it triggers a cleansing process that gets rid of bad stuff in your liver.